para sa mga nag-struggle pa sa multiplying fractions by a fraction. By another fraction using cancellation method. So I have an example here. 3/4 times 1/12. So, ika-cross out each. Ang 3 at 12 ba, meron ba siyang GCF? Okay, so ang 3 at 12 ay merong common factor. To get the factors of 3, so 1 at 3. Kasi 3 divided by 1, ang sagot is whole number. 3 divided by 3, ang sagot ay whole number. Kaya factors of 3. Ngayon, 12, let's start with 1 and 2. So this means 12 divided by 2, 6, which is a whole number. And 3, so 12 divided by 3 is 4, also a whole number, so factor pa siya. And 12 divided by 3 is 4. Kaya 3 times 4 is 12, so it's also a factor. Or it means 12 divided by 4 is 3, which is a whole number. Kaya factor pa siya. Ang 5. Pwede mo bang ipang-divide ang 5 sa 12? So, 12 divided by 5, hindi na whole number ang sagot. So, 5 is not a factor of 12. Let's proceed with 6. Ang 6 ba? Ang 12 ba? Can you divide 12 by 6? So, 12 divided by 6, whole number ang sagot, which is 2. Kaya, it's also a factor. Okay, so meron pa ba? 7, hindi rin. 12 divided by 8, hindi pwede. 12 divided by 9, so isa na lang ang kulang, 12. Ngayon, factors of 12, factors of 3. Alin yung pinakamalaking number na magkapareho sila? So, 1 pwede pero hindi siya ang pinakamalaki. Ang 3 pinakamalaki at parehong present sa 3 at 12. So, that means you divide both. So, ito 3 and 12 divide by 3. So, 3 divided by 3 is 1. 12 divided by 3 is 4. Ang 1 at 4 ba, meron ba siyang GCF bukod sa 1? So, wala. Ang factor ng 1 is 1 only. Kaya, proceed ka na dito. 1 times 1 equals 1. 4 times 4 equals 16. So, that's how you use it.